didn't make their way into your picture. The kite is inscribed in a circle with a radius of 3. I'm going to draw my radius there because honestly that's the only thing that makes sense for me right now. Find the perimeter of the kite. So with this particular picture, you know you have a kite. So this chord and that chord are equal and equal and equal and equal. So you know the circle has a radius of 3. So let's go through, whoops, let's erase. Maybe let's draw the diagonal of the kite in. Conveniently, the diagonal of the kite passes through the center of the circle. It kind of always has to do that. But then you can use the fact that you cut this in half. So that's 60. That's 3. So that's 60. You know your radius of your circle is 3. That's 30. So you've made a 30, 60, 90 triangle right there. Since the radius of your circle is 3, you're going to have to do a little bit of thinking to figure out what one of the actual sides of your triangle is. Guys, go ahead and skip that problem. There's not one that hard on your test. And the last one that we are going to do. Circles Q, R, and S are tangent to each other. The centers of the circle are connected to form a triangle. QRS. So if QR is 10 and RS is 13 and ST there's the typo, that should be SQ, is 16, what is the radius of each circle? So again, we'll go through, we'll label things with X. So this would be 10 minus X. This would be 10 minus X again. This is 16 minus X, and so this would be 16 minus X. So right here we have an equation. 10 minus X plus 16 minus X equals 13. Move the 26 over. So X equals 13 over 2. And we want to find the radius of each circle. So one of the radiuses, the radius of circle Q, is 13 over 2. And then the radius of circle R is 10 minus 13 over 2, which is 7 over 2. And then the radius of circle S would be 16 minus 13 over 2, which is 32 over 2. So 19 over 2. And that's all we have for today.